Hello everyone, I'm Camelia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful scrunchies. It is very easy and quick to make. It can be pleasant for friends. I particularly like this pattern and the border. It looks like heart or leaves. I use it for coaster as well. Hope you will like it. Let's start.
Round 1. Make a slip knot. Attach yarn to the elastic band. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. We need 50 double crochets altogether, so we need to make another 49 double crochets. I have made 10 double crochets here. Go ahead and make 50 double crochets altogether. I will meet you at the end of round 1. We are at the end of round 1. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Round 2. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. For round 2, we're going to make increase on every 2nd stitch. So we make increase in the next stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. So we put 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then we make increase again, 2 double crochets into the stitch. 1, 2. 1 double crochets, 1 double crochet I mean. 2 double crochets. 1, 2. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Continue this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 2. We are at the end of round 2. Find the 3rd chain, but go from the back. Turn over. Pull over. Chain 1. Round 3. Slip knot. Attach yarn to any of the stitch. Chain 3. Then double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over. Go into the space between the chain 3 and the 2 double crochet stitches. Okay. do the same again, another 4 times, so it will be 5 times altogether. So yarn over, go into the space, that's 2, yarn over, go into the space, 3, yarn over, go into the space, 4, yarn over, go into the space, 5. Let's see, we have how many loops altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 loops on a hook. Now what we're going to do is yarn over, pull through the first 2 only. Yarn over, pull through another 2. Yarn over, pull through another 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now you only have 5 loops on a hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Okay, let's turn around. We do the same again. Yarn over, go into the space between the double crochet and chain 3. 1, yarn over, 2, yarn over, 3, yarn over, 4, yarn over, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 loops again. So what we're going to do is yarn over, pull through 2 only. Yarn over, pull through 2 only. Yarn over, pull through 2. 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 Now we have 5 loops on the hook. So yarn over, pull through all. Now we have these beautiful heart shapes. Okay, now we go back to the front. So we skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into the 5th stitch. Okay, now let's repeat this pattern again. Chain 3, double crochet into the same stitch. Now, yarn over 5 times into the middle of the stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 loops. Then yarn over, go through 2 only. 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 Now we have 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through all. Then we turn around, tie to the back. Then we do 5 times yarn over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 loops on a hook. So yarn over, go through 2. 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 Now you have 5 loops left. Yarn over, go through all. Then return over to the front. So skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then make slip stitch into the 5th stitch. Okay, like this. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 3. We are at the end of round 3. So you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 patterns. We can turn one for more secure. Cut off. Now we have finished this project. Don't forget to weave in the end. Hope you will like it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.